So sorry for that. I was trying to pull up something. I'm not sure what happened. Give me a second, guys. Hey, you guys, it's just getting on. Um, we haven't even got started. Had some technical and couldn't find my papers. So let me just pull this up. I'm gonna go to study guides. So this and 7 and 8 will be on your exam. Uh, yeah. So this they will be on your exam. I'm sure you all may know that, but just a clarifying thing. Uh, because I think she said majority of your questions will come from 7 and 8. 7 and 8. So let's just go over whatever starting with 7 and 8. I'm gonna pull up the test solutions for me, and we can get started with the questions. 7 and 8 is your key. Okay. So it says write each of the following decimals as a percent. Show your work. So starting with 8, and honestly, I'm gonna do two problems from 1 and 2, and I also have this. Yeah, I'm gonna do from 1 and 2. So write each of the following decimals as a percent. So when we writing, and it says calculators are allowed on the 7 and 8 portion. So I think she's gonna give you, from my clarification, she's gonna give you two exams. Well, it's one exam, but it's like two parts. One part, I don't know how, but one part she's gonna have like calculator, and then the other part non-calculator. But I know people, everyone answer differently at different paces, different times and stuff. So I'm not sure like how long. I don't know. I'm here to just help y'all study. But calculators is allowed on this portion. So write each of the following decimals as a percent. Show your work. So when we write as a percent, and in all honesty, thought I pressed it. We get multiplied by 100. So 0.02 times 100 equals 2%. Or we can move the decimal how many places? To our right twice. So it's 1, 2, and that gives me 2 point. Okay, 1.45 times 100 in the comments. 'Make sure you put your percent sign. 0.003 times 100. We got 0.3, right? Because we moved a decimal. 0.125. 12.5. Move a decimal 2 over because by 100, 1, 2. Okay, easy stuff, easy stuff. Write each of the following percents as a decimal, show your work. So now we're doing the opposite, right? So 2 divided by 100 is 0.2. 2.55, or we could move our decimal to the left 2 times. So if I were to do that, that's 1, 2. 1, 2. See? All right. Okay. So we see how we got that. All right, let's move on to number 3. Selena has 65 boxes of crayons to sell. So we go ahead and I'm not gonna draw out 65 boxes, but we just put a big box and say 65 boxes. Oh, I can't spell. Okay. Of crayons. He sold 60% of the boxes. So he gave away, well, 60%. So we know 65 crayons is our how is 100%, right? He sold 60% of my 100 of how many does he still need to sell? So 60% of 65 is 0.6. So Ken wasn't me why did we do 60%? We write that as a decimal and it's times 65, which is the difference. And you will get 39. 39 is only the 39 is only the amount $39 is only the amount that he already sold. So we need to figure out how many does he still need to sell. So of course you do 65 minus 39 and it gives me 26 boxes. So now you receive a 15% raise last year. If her salary is 46,000 now, what was her salary last year? So she received a 15% raise. If her salary is 40, if her salary was 46,000 now, what is her salary last year? What can we do? Okay, want to change 15 to decimal? How will we do that? So 0.15 All right. Who got the answer? A new design of sneakers is on sale for $58. $58.80 after being marked down 40%. What was the original price of the sneakers? So let's rethink. Sneakers is on sale for $58.80. And it went down. So you need to find out what's 58 or 40. Then from that, multiply that by original. So and we can also figure out because so I'm getting 82. So we also know 50% is half. It's not even half. And divided by 2. $41 to be half. Let's check our answer. I did it right. If the tip is $6, then can 35%. Let me check any questions. Yes. Jada, yes, ma'am. Can 35% of one number be greater than 50% of another number? Let's hear that again. Can 35%, and if you want to go ahead and write it as a decimal, of one number be greater than 50% of another? Explain by giving an example. Can 0.35 or no, can 35% of one number be greater than 50% of another number? Can it? Somebody turn on your mic and send me an example. All right. One store price pleasers reduce the price each week of $100 by 10% of the original price. I don't know about y'all, but another, I won't even say hack, but another tool that helped me when taking exams or any questions or whatever, I highlight, I circle, I break down to my understanding, whatever case may be. That helps out a lot too when you know what the question is really asking by breaking down, underlining, highlighting this, that, and the third. So try that method as well. As you can see what I'm doing on here. Try doing that as well. Another store, Bargains Plus, reduced the price each week of the same $100 stereo by 10% of previous week's price. After 2 weeks, how would the price at the two stores compare? So, one store reduces the price each week of $100 by 10%. So, 100 divided by 0.10 is what? All right. Since no one is really talking right now, I'm just take those off my ear for a second. But the mic, I'm sure y'all can still hear me. Thumbs up. They hurt. Okay, and if you wanna speak, just comment and I'll put my things back on. They hurt. At the office soup at the office superstore you can buy not I guess supplier superstore you can buy 9 pencils. So 9 pencils for $5.40. Or you can buy 12 pencils for $7.32. Which one is the better deal and how much will you save? So we have two questions. Which one is the better deal and how much will you save per pencil? So like this like after the fact you have done everything, just compare which one is yeah. At the office store you can buy 9 pencils. So I'm just like 9 pencils for $5.40 for or you can buy let's make it a little bigger 12 pencils for $7.32. 9 to 12 ratio is 3, right? 5 to 7 is 2. So we need to figure out how much exactly do one pencil cost. Come on. Oh, my phone failed. I need a minute. But we need to figure out how much. I'm gonna use a different paper. All right, so big. How much? Okay, you can buy 9 pencils for put a big or 12 for 7. We already got our 9 to 12 ratio, which is 3. We got our 5 to 7 ratio, which is 2. So let's figure out how much for uh, a pencil, one pencil costs. So how will we do that? If you talk, okay. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Okay. So you said a pencil is $1.67 for, okay. Anybody want to help out? So what would we say be the answer? Okay. We're kind of off. So let me kind of zoom in. What is this right here for? How did I get this to go away? Okay. Let's just scratch that. And I did that to see students thinking. So, deal number one, 9 pencils for $5.40. Okay? Equals so you do not 5.4 divided by 9. So once you divide that, you get 0.6 over one pencil. That is how much it costs for one pencil for deal number one. Deal number two, same little setup. You got 12 pencils for 732, and it's which for one pencil. Which ones? I don't need you. Just set it up backwards. So the deal number one is the better deal because, and you will subtract that 0.61 minus 0.6 to find out um, how much you will be saving if you go with deal number one or two. You'll be saving 10 cents. 10 cents, okay? Everyone understand that. The price of a box of dozen gumballs is $4.80. Bridget wants to buy 7. What would she have to pay? So how much is a dozen? A dozen is 12. So we'll do 480 divided by 12 to find out. That gives me 0.4. Bridget wants to buy 7 gumballs. What would she have to pay? So we know. So we do 0.4 times 7. She would have to pay $2.80. Simple, or you could have set it up that way or whatever. But yeah. He mixed 3 half cups of red paint with 4.5 cups of yellow paint. So Kelly mixed 3.5 cups of red paint with 4.5 cups of yellow paint to make an orange paint. to make an orange paint. Let's see. I'm going in order just because the second time I'm like, yeah. Um, so she got one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. 7 full cups. How many cups of red paint and how many cups of orange paint will Callie need to make 12 cups of the same shade? Damn, I don't think I put my charger. So this gave her 7, no, 8. So if I add, Mm. At the Riverside Elementary School, teacher to student ratio is 1 to 23. If the number of students and teachers combined is 212, how many students are there in the school? Alright, so I hope you guys little card she'll learn y'all to use. Um, and you guys gonna do great. Um, type your name down in this so I can send to your professor. She do whatever she want with them to see that you guys are actually trying. So type in your first and last. Um, yeah, your first and last should be good. And I will also be back on this Tuesday evening for Geometry Wednesday. Thank you so much. I'm a bit understanding. Wish I could have seen you face to face this summer. Um, you could have. You could have. But have you? If uh, you could check my schedule if you want to do it face to face. Um, I taught this class way before I got my promotion, and now I'm getting my doctor's degree. But I was asked to help out because she don't really have students that's failing, but she has students that's not understanding the content. And so it's like, okay, sure, sure. So yeah, but check my schedule. Um, my email is posted. I sent you guys an email, and if you just click on there and say, call my little thing, schedule appointment. If I have something open before um, the Zoom Tuesday or whatever the case may be, or on Wednesday, I think y'all final is at 11, 11 or 1. So if you want to meet up, I just just go on there and see what I have available. And we could just do rundown, do the study guide prior to your final. So if you want to be up like at um, 9 a.m. and do 9 to 11 session with me, whatever case may be, or 9 to like 10:45. And we could be in the math building somewhere. That'd be perfect. But it's I don't think I will have nothing that Wednesday morning. But again, just check my schedule. And if y'all want to do that, I'm not gonna send an email um, because I just can't have everybody in my office somewhere at time. But so be it. Whatever floats your boat. Whatever floats your boats. Uh, but yeah, I just looked at your office hours. You could well go ahead and sign up. If if you say anything like I'm available, go ahead and pick it. Um, go ahead and pick it. I'm not gonna change anything because I update my because I'm a busy person. I update um, my schedules pretty often. But yes. Any more questions? I just let me know. I cannot I think I saw somebody comment. I cannot meet with you in the morning for your reels, but if I have another available spot on there, I can meet with you at 9 a.m. to like 10:45 for your geometry. You would have to do your reels on your own. Being it's already an 8 a.m. exam, I personally don't get paid until 8 a.m. Like, that's when I clock in and stuff. So I don't do nothing. I mean, and I do want to see everyone to see, but my time is a lot. But no, ma'am. Um, I will send you guys this recording that I saved. I'll send you guys this recording, and you guys can replay it, redo, see how I solved it, whatever the case may be. Uh, but I'm so sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Y'all have a good night. Get some rest. Get some rest. Uh, and be ready for your 8 a.m. exam. Be there like early and own it, y'all. Don't procrastinate. Wake up in some good mood. Play up good music. I love me some gospel. Play your gospel. Play your rock star music, whatever the case may be, that gets you going and flowing. Because one thing, if you have a positive vibe or positive, energy, that reflects on your exam as well. So get that in. Drink a little smoothie in the morning, a little water on the side, coffee, whatever the case may be that you like. Feel good in the morning, y'all. Get some rest. Prepare for the finals. Y'all gonna rock it. Y'all gonna rock it. Y'all going to rock it. But everybody put their name in there. All right. Y'all have a good night.